Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the pump in yourself because a clean, intact kit and a comfortable position improve output and reduce leaks. Once parts are sanitized and dry, assemble flange, valve, and bottle. Make sure silicone valves sit flush. Apply a warm compress or breast massage to stimulate letdown, then place the flange centered over the nipple to form a soft seal. Begin with light, rhythmic manual pulls to prime flow. This eases into effective suction without discomfort and wakes milk ejection. You now focus on establishing an efficient pumping rhythm. How and why matter. Start with short, quick pulls for about 1 to 2 minutes to mimic baby's initial suckling and trigger letdown. This stimulates oxytocin and helps milk flow. Once milk appears, change to longer, slower pulls to express more fully, adjusting pressure to what feels effective but not painful. Make sure your wrist is relaxed, keep torso upright, and rotate the flange, a bit if you feel pinching. These tweaks improve comfort and yield. You're finishing by tapering down the intensity so you don't end with a fast release that can be uncomfortable. Slow the pulls for the last minute and then remove the flange gently. Pour expressed milk into a clean container, label with date/time, clean all parts promptly and let them air dry to prevent bacterial growth. If output is lower than expected, check the seal, valve, and flange fit, replace any torn silicone, and repeat gentle breast massage. These fixes usually restore performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.